Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Oh, they have all the paper stuff out here. The cups, the foam trays and everything, the tissues, the toilet tissue. Yes, double doors. So let me start back over here with the boyfriend bomb. So my dumbass, I was reading the comments, right? And I was thinking, I was like, this is too big to put in here. But I was like, okay, it goes in there, but it does go in the tub. And it's a little, something like a surprise for your drink. Once you in the tub. That is funny. Because look, oh, that's a claw tub. Miss Girl, I thought that was a whole glass or something. Oh my goodness. So yes, I thought that was so funny, and I hope I find those Bob Ross socks again. Oh my goodness, they have all the Easter stuff up front. I feel like the garland, I feel like all of this is probably a repeat, right? I think so. The carrots, right? The bunnies, they are so darn cute. Look at the buds. The gnomies, the carrots. Here are the other ones. Yeah, those are cute. Some beads and things, a couple signs. Here are the trays. Aren't they so cute? Right? Melt some chocolate, throw those on top of some cupcakes. Yes. Here are some spatulas here. I feel like I remember those. And yes, on the beads. Yeah, these are definitely repeats, right? All right. Yeah, they got a couple things. Oh yeah, I remember these. I feel like, I don't think I picked up the chick. I feel like I grabbed the carrot and the bunny. Aren't they so super cute? And then the egg is back there. Okay. Put these up here. I love these. I have a few of these. I think I have this color right here. Yeah, I do. Isn't that so pretty? So pretty. There's the blue back there. I really do think these are fire. I don't know if it's because of the star texture at the bottom or what, but they're so darn cute, right? And they're so big. The blue one, they nice and plasticky. And here's the pink one. Those are cute. Yes, on all the seeds rocking, we have been seeing those. The vegetables and the flowers. I know these aren't going to last. They never do. Oh, these are two different colors. See, I thought that. It's a clear, but this is kind of like on the darker shade, right? And then the green. Because I was looking over here and then I looked over here and I'm like, wait a minute, there are two different ones. Miss Girl, I knew I wasn't crazy. All right, yes, with the tree of life. Look at these planters, that's different. I don't think I've ever seen these. I don't think I've ever seen this color either. That is fire. The gray, right? The black, the terracotta. It's back there. Hang that right on up. Oh, that's cute. Olive Garden, good, right? So these houses, I feel like, yeah, I don't remember seeing these. Look. All of this, I'm telling you, every time I see them, they remind me of the Seven Dwarfs. Like, that's where they should be. I don't know what it is. The bricks, or I don't know what it is, but it definitely reminds me of Disney. So this is my fave. I don't know if it... You better stop it on that. They have holes now. I remember when I grabbed these a couple years ago and they didn't have holes and we had to drill the holes in the bottom. That's so funny. So now they come with the holes. Yes on that. This is probably my fave. I don't need it though. You guys know I don't have a green thumb, but that's fire that they have the holes now. It's so much stuff here getting ready for the spring. I know I showed you most of it. Yes, the herb rockets are back too. Here's the thyme, right? What's this one? Sweet basil is up here. I was going to say parsley. Miss Girl, what the hell? Parsley is here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was just talking to one of you guys about things being really high up right now. And you were telling me that You need to grab one of these because remember I was saying the 125, they taking it all the way up. I'm not going to be able to reach. Miss Girl, they got these in the aisle so we can reach. So that's that is so funny because I was just talking about that. I didn't even know that they were here. That is funny. We're going to need those. So guess what? When I threw these nails on, I couldn't find any glue. It wasn't like readily available. I was a little floored by that because you guys know this is my favorite nail glue and I'm usually stocked. Let me get one more. Yes, in the cart. Remember I picked this up and I was kind of, jokingly about something being in the cart for everyone. Guess what? Hubby not well. I knew it was a reason why I was picking those up. I felt bad for him. Textured concrete. Oh, let me say, ow. At first I thought it might have been like lip glosses or something. Get out of here. Feel the texture. It's a nail set. So that's rocking all of these colors. Oh, and these nail wraps were right next to it. Simply Sweet. So they have these here. And these nail polishes here I haven't seen. High Shine. This is mauve pink. That's pretty. Yeah, that one. And then this one right here is peachy nude. I think those are the... Miss Girl, I was about to lie. Back here. Hold on. Here's the red velvet. These are the only three I see. Oh my goodness. I don't think this was the Dollar Tree I was in with the paint dude. I don't see him in here. Y'all were like, Tish, Bob, how you going past? You know what? I saw it. Oh, the Star Wars. I saw it. And then I just got distracted and forgot to go back to him. Oh my goodness. Now watch. I won't be able to find him. Let me see what's rocking here. I don't see, Angry Birds. Mountain Dew Mickey is rocking. Oh, I don't remember seeing these. Yeah, and the box ones, right? Let me pull this down and talk. So the box ones like this and like the gold ones that I picked up, I feel like they're tight. Do you know what I mean? Like they wouldn't fit my husband's foot. They barely fit mine. So I feel like anything along these lines, right? They fit kind of nice. They're not squeezing my calves up and things, right? So yeah, I feel like the ones in the box are kind of tight. I wanted to tell you. So yes on that, but no, Bob not here. Darn. Oh, I think this is the first time I've seen bugs in the cart. Oh, this honey is back, the McTrader. I feel like it was another one too. I can't think of what it was, but I need to grab this one in the cart. This is so random, but I needed some more vinegar too in the cart. I didn't realize that these pods were compared to the Tide Simply pods. 5-in-1 detergent, right? Stain remover, color protector, odor remover, and a softener. This is the Mountain Fresh. The Palmax, 25% more in there. I'm gonna grab these in the cart. Like I wanted to say compared to the active ingredient in, right? But we're not in the medicine. But yes on that. So we hardly ever, right, use paper bags anymore. Well, Miss Cara Girl still takes school trips, and when she does, she has to put her lunch in paper bags. So I always keep them on hand in the cart. I picked this one up, this Wizard Double Action. It smells good. The eucalyptus and spearmint is fire. Oh, more bowls. These are the Stitch ones. I haven't seen these. This one, I think I may have seen the blue one. That is funny. And this one right here. I don't see any of the Mickey ones anymore. A couple new prints in the oven mitts that I love so much. This one right here, the gray one. Remember the denim one we saw in the last video, I think? The straight one. That reminds me of Kate Spade. Yes on that. The black and white. Oh, this is like an oil, right? I feel like, is this herbs maybe? I think so. Yeah, look, that's the bottle. That looked like a tomato. And I do remember the bee. Okay. Oh, these foil pans are nice. coming slowly. It's coming slowly with the gold. Oh my goodness, these are nice though. I don't see any tops and things, but that's the first time I've seen those. You know, the shades are 150. Yes, on the bumblebees. These white ones here, Sydney would probably love these. I cannot get Kara in shade. She just really does not care. My hubby is the same way. He won't really rock. I have these. They're fire on me too. I'm gonna get these in the cart. I'm in the plus section quick and fast before I leave. You know what I wanted to grab before I won't be able to find it? This dispenser. Isn't that so cute? This was my favorite one when I saw them. It's the chick and the egg. Yeah, I want the bunny in the cart. I do love the flock bunnies. Oh, this is backwards. That's kind of cute though. Oh, that feels really weird. Let me put that back. They're so darn cute though for $3. I don't think I need anything else. And I feel like I have tier trays and things and beads. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay. All right, so let me see what's rocking. The bunny, right? The vinegar through the shades in. My nail glue through the laundry detergent and yes, on bugs. Right, some more paper bags. Oh, I threw this Excedrin migraine just to keep on hand, right? And the honey. Yeah, not too much. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Hold on. They have a whole cart of these. I think that says 50 cents. The Bath and Beauty shave gel. It's a whole cart. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't think I've seen these. I feel like I've seen fake ones, you know, like plastic. These are glass and so pretty. Yes on that. So that's rocking. You had me at Merlot. Yeah, I feel like we did see these. Aren't they pretty? Oh, it's front and back. Yeah. I'm in the St. Patty's Day section. I don't remember seeing napkins. These are super cute, right? How many in here? 24. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, look at this. First of all, the packaging is really pretty. Rose gold sheet mask with hyaluronic acid. Oh, this is probably rocking for Valentine's Day. I see all the hearts on there. What's this? Isn't this pretty? Whatever it is. Oh, it's a jelly mask. It's a glitter jelly mask. You see that glitter in there? Yes, on that. And then the facial serum is over here. Concentrated facial serum with vitamin C. Helps the skin to appear brighter and more even tone. You know, I've never used these things. Have you? Do you like them? I've never used them. Oh, look at these shower steamers. Now, after I had those other ones that I was raving about, I don't know if anything else would compare to Vapor, because I feel like anything outside of that, mentholy, I feel like I don't really smell in the Dollar Tree. You know what I mean? Like once I put it in the shower, it's not really rocking. You know those round ones and things? So, I don't know. This is Cherry Blossom. This one is lavender scented. I'm going to grab this one, the lavender scented one, just to try it and see. In the cart. Miss Girl. Oh, my goodness. That's rocking. I am going to grab some more of these. I don't know why this is Kara's favorite. So, we're going to stay with this 2-in-1 Icy Blast. Yes. In the cart. Oh, here we go for the trash cans. Short scents. This is the citrus scent odor eliminator. Get out of here. Let me pick this up. In the cart. Yes, on the Dustonas. You know I'm about to make these. I have like 3 plantains at home. I had hubby pick up for me. That is funny. But I gotta fry them up. Throw the garlic and the salt on there. Yes, on that. I'm in checkout. I wanted to see what was over here. Remember these cosmetic bags? Wow. So they have them all. I feel like I picked up maybe the pink or something. Let me see. Yeah, these are so cute. Little bit in there, right? Yes, on the Burt's Bees. So remember I picked up all 3? I didn't realize that this one was Burt's Bees Baby. So yeah, it's unscented moisturizing right lip balm. But that's cool. I put it right on too. My lips are still baby. So yes on that. All right, so this all that's rocking in here, in and out quick and fast. On the toothpaste, right? Gonna see, I threw another one in here, gonna see how these operate. And then I wanna see too if these are gonna match up, these shower steamers. So, all right, I'll see you soon. Bye.